welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel of beauty and probably all things. Want to get more into vlogs, fashion, all the good stuff pretty much. Yeah, so today this is the look that I created with some pretty awesome products. So if you want to see how to get this look and how I did it, then keep on watching. All right, so I did one eye off of camera and I'm gonna go in and start on my other eye. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 300 so we can conceal my eyes. Go ahead and just place that onto the lid. And then blend it out with a beauty blender or a brush. Okay, so I am using the Soft Glam palette from ABH. I'm gonna go into the shade Noir, which is a black shadow. And I'm taking a Morphe M514 brush. And we're just gonna pack that right onto the eye. And this one you can kind of just be messy with it. You just place it onto the lid and onto the crease. So don't worry about blending right away. Okay, now that we have that black shadow down, I'm gonna go in with orange soda and burnt orange and just mix those two from the same palette. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And just use light pressure to blend these two shades together. So I'm gonna take any type of concealer just so we can blank the middle portion out from the eye. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution. This is C5. I really want to try the P. Louise base. Let me know if you guys have tried that base out. I also want to try like their eyeshadows, like her eyeshadows and stuff. Like she has came out with some bomb products and she's from the UK. So yeah, I would love to try it out. But so today I went to Ulta and I found Stila came out with some new products. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I have a whole bunch of makeup on me. I have makeup everywhere, like like swatching everything. But this one is called Mint Myth, and I'll swatch it on my hand. And it has like an iridescence to it. Hopefully that's picking up on camera, but it's picking up on the eyeshadow. It does have that base underneath. You can use the black base as well to put underneath. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply this straight onto the lid. And this applicator makes it so easy to apply, and this does dry down as well, so it's not going anywhere. Let that dry for a little bit. See how pretty, and it's just so high in pigment. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna start doing, I didn't pick up anything on the brush for the black shadow. I'm just going back in and do tapping motions. Then if you need to, you can go back in with the black shadow. So let me know what products you guys have been into lately. I've been seeing that there's more foundations coming out that are for, it's like a dewy foundation, and so I love a dewy foundation. So I seen Dior came out with a new one that I really want to try. So let me know. That's so pretty. And like this eye look doesn't take that long to do. Of course you need to blend the black and stuff. So I'm gonna go back in and blend some more for where I see I need some blending. Okay, so now that we got that, I'm still gonna go in back with Noir, and I'm just gonna bring that to the lower lash line. And connect it. And then I'm going back in with orange soda and burnt orange. And blending that bottom part. Now that we got the bottom part all smoked out, I'm gonna go back in with the Stila Mint Myth, and I'm gonna apply that to the inner portion of the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some highlight, the ABH Resi highlighter. Pretty much put it all over your face. Not really, but yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and apply some lashes and a lip, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so I put on my lashes. I used the Baddie Bee lashes in the style Baddie, and I love these lashes. They are so comfortable. They were long, so I did have to like snip them down. That way they can fit my eye shape and everything. But I love these lashes. Also for the lip, let me let you guys know what I used. I used a little bit of Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Naked. And then I went in with Over the Top Gloss from Dose of Colors of the collab with Desi and Katie. So that is what I have on my lips. And then to set everything down, I also, when I said I went to Ulta today, I got Morphe Setting Mist Spray, and this mist is amazing. Like, and it smells so good. It's like almost like a perfume kind of thing, which sounds bad, like putting on your face, but it smells amazing. I think it smells really good. So yeah, I mean, like, look at the mister. Like, it's just so good. It just like gets the right amount. It's not like some sprays that like kind of like spit at you, and I don't like that at all. But yeah, this is the finished look. With Stila, they do have other shades. They have like a pink one. Like, each one that they came out with has different hues of reflect kind of in it. So this one has more green blue. There's ones with pink, purple, just really pretty. Like, Stila did this, like, they did that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I kept it kind of short. Pretty much everything else was the same. I used the NARS foundation, same Give Me Sun bronzer. For my brows, I use ABH in the shade dark brown. So yeah, here's a little close-up for you guys. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video and everything like that, and I hope to see you on the next video. I have more ideas in mind for more videos to come. So once again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.